Hello everyone, welcome back to Help for Code e-learning and welcome back to again your banking system project. So in this project, what we are going to do exactly, guys, we will create I'll show you. I think I have closed it. We have to create the saving account, and in saving account, as you know that, guys, in saving account and current account, we have two things which is very much common. That is a deposit and withdraw case, and these two operation. In case of saving account also we have to deposit the money. In case of current account also we have to deposit the money if you want to deposit the money in account. And same for withdrawal case is also same in saving and current account. Okay, I'm not going very deeply like the actual the banking system is working. Okay, I'm just giving you an overview about it, right? So what I'll do exactly, I will create one abstract class, and in that abstract class what I'll do, I will create this two method as abstract method so that we can write a declaration of this method inside abstract class. And whenever or whichever the class we want implementation, we will inherit and we'll do a implementation. Okay, so I'll just close it, and I have already that file. So first I have to create abstract file dot py, which is important. And if I just go here, so in abstract file I have already the code. I'll just show you. Okay, understand this code. From ABC module, we have imported the ABC class, which is your abstract base class, and this is your abstract method decorator. I created a one new class, which is your bank account class, and here we are inheriting a ABC abstract base class. ABC stand for abstract base class. So from this bank account class is inheriting this abstract base class. Now bank account is your abstract class, because after inheriting this abstract base class, all the properties, this bank account class is able to access all the properties of this ABC abstract base class. So now a bank account, we can say that this bank account is nothing but your abstract class. Okay, this bank account is nothing but your abstract class. So here we have a amount and balance amount. This is two static variable. Why this two static variable is required? Because suppose in future I want to create a different types of module for loan, like one separate module for car loan, one separate module for home loan, one separate module for education loan. So everywhere I need the same amount of variable, so that's why I declared as a static, and same balance amount also I required. So this two is your static variable. Then I created a deposit. This is your abstract method. How it is the abstract method? Because I use this decorator, abstract method decorator. Because of this abstract method decorator, this normal instance method is now become your abstract method. And as you know that what abstract method rule says, abstract mode method rule says that abstract method have a declaration but does not have an implementation inside a abstract class. Why? Because in whichever the class we will go and will inherit the this bank account class, over there we will write the implementation of this method. Okay, so you know the concept. If you don't know the concept of abstract class and abstract method, go first, understand, read, understand, and then come back to this project. Again, I created the same abstract method for withdrawal and same abstract method for show balance. Okay, by using the abstract method decorator. As you can see, this decorator helps me to declare this method as a abstract method. Now we have to create a module. Another module is saving.py file. Okay, so this is also very much important, guys. What I'll do exactly here, that in saving account I'm just going to copy everything from here. I'll do paste. Copy paste is a good work but not okay for everywhere. Okay, so from abstract file, as you know that we have a abstract class bank account. I have inherited because I want to reuse the property. I want to reuse the method deposit, withdrawal, and show balance. So that's why I have imported here. Second, from customer module I'm importing the bank customer details. Why I'm importing this bank customer details? Because again I want to reuse the customer detail here. Okay, because at the time of operation of saving account, I want to show the detail of customer. Then random module I've imported. Why? I'll tell you why. Okay. Now saving account is my class name, and in this saving account class I'm inheriting the bank account class, which is your abstract class, and bank customer details. Why? Here we are implementing the multiple inheritance. This is the syntax of multiple inheritance, because I want to reuse the properties of both the classes. I want to reuse the abstract method of bank account class, and I want to reuse the properties of variables which store the details of customer. I want to reuse it here. Then I'm reusing right now deposit. This is your variable. As you know that this is your deposit. This is not a variable, sorry. This deposit is your abstract method. So I'm reusing this abstract method, enter the amount of for deposit. Then I'm just displaying the message on a terminal that enter a deposit amount. So if user enter the deposit amount, that will come and stored inside of amount variable. Then this logic is very simple, like balance amount equal to balance amount plus amount. Okay, so in short, I write down balance amount plus equal to amount. But that means whatever the amount user want to deposit, that we are storing inside amount variable, and after from amount variable we are storing in balance amount variable. Okay, and we are displaying also. So this is your deposit method. Okay, now next is a show balance. So from customer class, as you know that bank customer details we have imported here. So using this class name, we are accessing a customer name. This is a static variable. This is also your static variable. And whenever we want to access the static variable by using the class name, we go and we do that. So again, I'll tell you, if you are not having a sufficient knowledge about abstraction, go first, read in a deeply, and come back. Okay, then balance amount. So bank account is your class name, abstract class name, and using this I call the balance amount. So customer name and balance amount I'm showing when user want to show the balance. Okay, next is very important, withdrawal function. Here I'm asking a user that enter amount to withdraw. As you know that if you go any ATM and if you just use the menus, if you're looking to withdraw the money, so over there whenever you get a menu on the ATM machine, you have to choose the withdraw option, and then you are allowed to enter amount, and then you are allowed to withdraw the money. So here same, first we are asking, we enter the amount to withdraw, we are storing in amount variable. You can see that I'm reusing it again. Then we first of all I'm using the condition that amount not equal to zero, bank account dot amount variable that is not equal to zero. So amount is not equal to zero in the sense what, that if we have a amount, that means if we have a value inside of this variable, then this condition is true, because this is not empty, we have a value and it will come inside. And using a randint function, as you know that random model we have imported here. So using a rand int function, we have given the range from 1 to 10,000. Okay, we have given this range from 1 to 10,000. It will generate a random number between of this range. So I'm considering that random number as a OTP, and I'm storing inside of this variable OTP. Okay, your OTP, and we are also displaying this OTP to the user. Okay, those the end user, those who are using this system, and user has to enter the again the same OTP, as like you got the OTP in your mobile, and you enter that same OTP, and then you are allowed to access anything, whatever service you want. Okay, so we are storing the user entered OTP, new OTP variable. Then we are matching if both are both cases are matching here, then condition true. And we are using a while loop because if user want to do a multiple withdrawal option back to back, suppose user have a limit to withdraw a 10,000 at a time, and user has a limit for a day to withdraw 30,000 in a day, and user want to withdraw the 30,000. So and for single transaction, for single withdrawal, it allows you to only you can withdraw 10,000. So here obviously three times you have to withdraw the amount, then you are going to fulfill the condition of 30,000. So same here, bank account dot amount, we are checking that if amount, we are using the while loop for that. Okay, then we are checking if the amount that user want to withdraw, which is less than your balance amount or not. Because suppose if you have a balance amount 2,000 and you want to withdraw 5,000, so as you know that 5,000 is not a less than to your 2,000 or 3,000. Okay, it's a greater, so condition will be false. So that's why always we have to check. Suppose user want to withdraw the 1,000 and you have a balance amount 2,000, so definitely 1,000 is less than your 2,000, condition is true, it will come inside. And again what we are showing, we are showing the amount, that amount user have withdrawn successfully. Then from balance amount we are subtracting the amount variable, so that we should have an updated amount in our balance amount, and we will show the balance amount also. If suppose this condition is false, so it will go in else block and it will say insufficient balance to withdraw money, if user want to withdraw money which is more than to your balance amount. Okay, so this is your saving account code, guys. Okay, I hope you have understood about it, that what we have done here. Okay, now understand, you can also implement your own logic. You can also think at your level. It's not, I will not say that you should follow blindly to this code. Okay, this code is correct. We will get the output. We are getting output also in the first or in the second video. I'll show you that what is the output of this project. Okay, but still, if you're looking to implement your own logic, think on it and implement. This is good because this is a practice project for you guys. Okay, now I'm not going to add these things on the main menu on this lecture. For that, I have created a separate video that you can see on the next lecture or in the next video, on the next part. That means on the uh, fourth or fifth part, we can say, because this is your fourth part. So on the fifth part, you will see that we will do a modification on main.py file. That means I will create a menus to access this saving.py file or saving.py file options like withdrawal. I will create a separate menu for deposit, show balance, and withdrawal. So for related to saving account module, the menu system we want, that we will that you can check on the next lecture. Till this lecture, complete your abstract file and saving.py file. For right now, guys, thank you very much. I hope that you have enjoyed this session. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.